Let's put rocking eyes onto it.
Okay, this is a good outdoor
This is
gift.
great. Absolutely. This is called Go Sun Go. And this is your own portable outdoor cooking oven. You just open it up, you put this little dial right here, and you are ready then to...
Wait, so it heats up?
It heats up. It uses... You direct it to the sun. You got this little device right here so you know exactly where the sun is.
And what can you cook in this
You
thing?
can make anything. Lasagna.
Lasagna?
Absolutely. You can make lamb meatballs. A frittata. There I am making. I took it out to Central Park
what
with the
did you
rocks.
make?
I made cinnamon rolls.
Oh, you put it inside the tube?
Inside the tube.
Ah.
Cook them. And they came out really great done in Central Park. Cold weather. And
Okay, that is great.
Isn't it great?
And how long did it take?
So normally it's supposed to take 20 minutes. I had a bad location. The sun got behind the building, so it took me 35 minutes. But
Wow, that'd be fun for the kids. They'd get a kick out of that.
This isn't like for the spa.
this kind of meets Nepeso
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Spa. You open this thing up.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Pods right
From
here.
Go Sun.
These capsules.
You Kelly, come here, Kel.
And then when you're showering, you have this great scent.
Hey, Kelly, Joe.
Lavender.
Yeah.
It invigorates or like relaxing, but also something good for your skin because the filter here that takes out the bad stuff.